back to his home, and Life got sent to jail somehow. And then Sam is still in war, but then one day there's these people that came to steal some cattle, and Sam didn't want that to happen, so he went to find the people who did. But then there was two people who was trying to steal the cattle, so they outnumbered Sam. And then they had a story ready for when they went to the court. When they went to court, they could just tell the same story as each other. And then Sam said that he didn't steal it. The truth was he didn't steal it, but then the other people said he did. But why would Sam steal his own cattle? It's his own home. Why would he steal it from his own home? So then he got put in jail, and Tim tried to use some letters and sent to General Putnam to let him out, because he knew that Sam wouldn't do that. But then after a lot of time, it just didn't work. Mother went also to try it, but then although she's grown up more, it still didn't work. So anyways, Sam is locked in jail, and so is Life, and by that time Life was dead. And then Tim tried to go save Sam by using these weapons. He went to the jail. He went to where the jail was, and then he tried to save him, but then he was gonna kill a person because he knew that Sam could do it, so why can't he do it? But then the soldiers saw him, so then they ran after him and tried to shoot him, but luckily they missed Tim, but Tim was bleeding a bit. So then the next day, Tim went into, after some weeks later I think, and then they went to, Mother didn't want to see the execution of Sam, so Tim went himself, and then they just banged him. Bye.